Good job. Very good. Upside down. Upside down. Okay, good. You guys remember, really good job. So if I have to sneeze, okay? Okay. How about this? Ready? Cover my mouth. Very good. Okay, so put your hands on top. Is this okay? Good. Yes, good. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. Everybody ready? Let's pretend we have a really big sneeze. Okay, ready? Okay, we'll do it together. Like this. Ready? Okay, let's see. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay, yeah, when we sneeze, what do I do? Achoo. Good. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Good job, everybody. Very good. What about coughing? Well, let's practice coughing together. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. We cough. Ready? Good. Ready? 1, 2. Good. Okay. This time we're going to teach you one new word. Okay, ready? Shh. Are you listening? Oh, friends are listening. So sad. No snack time if we can't listen. Okay.
Hands on your knees. Next leg. Back straight.
Okay, so when teacher Hannah sneezes like this, achoo! Okay, so she sneezes, does a good job. We say, bless you. You say, bless you. Ready? 1, 2. Can you come help me demonstrate? Teacher Hannah is going to sneeze. Teacher Kevin is going to tell me, bless you. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Achoo!
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, can you try? Yes. Okay, so let's see. Yo, Luca, stand up. Okay, Yo, can you do a big sneeze for me?
Shane, sit down. Judy, sit down. Do not go, Luca. Judy, sit down.
Judy, sit down. Next time, okay? Next time it can be close to me and Judy, okay?
Wait.
Alright, Luca, come here, buddy. So, Luca, you sneeze. 1, 2. Okay, Yo, so you tell Luca, bless you. Good. You can say thank you. Good. You sit down, buddy. Alright, who else wants to try? Okay, Kegel, are you? Come here, buddy. Alright, who wants to sneeze? Do you want to sneeze? Okay. So I'm going to say bless you. Okay? Okay, ready? Sneeze, buddy. 1, 2. Okay, good. I'm going to say bless you.
Bless you.
Okay, well, we both sneeze. Kegel, can you say bless you? Good.